Lars Young. Lars Young.
Yes, sir. You already know what time it is. Standing right here in front of Carson Cyclery, my home shop, the best bike shop in Carson. Man, so got a little project, you know what I mean? As you can see, what we have here is the Monster Quad SC. You already know what it is. About to go ahead and make this baby my own. You know, Mr. Steve already hooked up the wheels. Oh, we got the wheels, got the pedals, grips. But now it's time to make this a little bit or a lot of bit different than everybody else's. So it's a little project. Stay with me. Oh yeah. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Man, I am super excited right now. I am on my way to Carson Cyclery. You already know, if I'm on my way up there, there's something going on. So I just finished my 12-mile bike ride in Long Beach. Got a phone call from Carson Cyclery and said, it's ready. I said, it's ready? They said, it's ready. I said, I'm on my way. So, y'all just stay tuned. Got an unveiling right now. When I pull up to Carson Cyclery, got a little treat for y'all, you know what I'm saying? A little something, something. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. Got a spot right in the front. Oh wee. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Hey, y'all see where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? Carson Cycling, baby. We up to something. Man, I'm excited. Oh wee. So look, I don't know if y'all heard me when I was driving. And I don't know if y'all can hear me now, but I hope you can. You know, you gotta have your mask on, But man, I'm here at Carson Cyclery. Got a surprise. I'm here to pick up something real special, something a little different. You know what I mean? So I'm excited, man. Enough of the talk. Let's go ahead, go up in Carson Cyclery and see exactly what we got up our sleeve. Let's do it.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Do you see what I see? Look what we got here. And you already know, who put their hands on this. You already know who built this. Mr. Bo. You see it? Hey man, my goodness. Look at that. Ooh. Black gloss powder coat. Look. Too clean. Surprise. Surprise to everybody out here. This is what me and Carson Cyclery have been working on. Yes. And look, listen, this was before Todd posted his infamous picture, you know what I'm saying, laying it flat with his all black Monster Quad, you know what I mean? This is before that. We've been working on it way before that. Mr. Todd Lyons. Way before any of the other. Man, you done went and posted that picture. You're gonna have everybody thinking that I'm copying off of you. This project been in the works. Between my Monster Quad and everybody else's Monster Quad that's out here. So, as you can see, right here, I kept this chrome. I kept my landing gears chrome. Kept them chrome. Yeah, Pedaling Innovations. Got the blue. Yeah, details, baby. It's all about the details. Check it out. Ooh wee.
My son is pointing you out there, brother.
Huh? Oh, there we go. That's me, man. That's me. Yeah, y'all like that? Y'all want to say something to the people? Y'all, what y'all feel about this bike? Y'all like this bike?
Yeah.
What you think? What you think about it?
Like, I like it because it's like different than others. Because others like.
Yeah, especially the rims.
You like the rims?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the black? How about the black? You like the black? You know they
Yeah.
usually silver. You know what I mean? Yeah. What about these pedals?
Oh yeah, they look
Ooh. You like them pedals?
That was nice.
Yeah, man. Thank y'all, man.
Can
What's-
you get spoke skins for it?
Maybe. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Let me get a bike life from y'all. Bike life.
Like,
Bike life. Hey, you already know what it is, man. That's what we do out here. Get kids on bikes, man. It's all about getting kids on bikes. It's all about positivity. It's all about motivation, inspiration, all that good stuff, man. SC, you already know what it is. SC Bikes. And I see you looking at the bike, man. What you think about it?
Sick, dude. The anodized aluminum's dope, man.
Ooh-wee. That's the best. What's the best part of the bike to you?
Probably the blue on black, man.
That blue on black.
Yeah, for sure.
Something
Sure,
different.
the blue on black. Yeah, you got the old style GT handlebars on there too. Not many people know about that. huh?
Yeah, man. Thank you, and I appreciate you for having some
For
words.
sure, what?
No, sir. This is for ride, baby. Hey, this is for ride. Hey, thank you so much.
No problem.
Bike life.
For sure.
Yo, what you think about this bike right here?
Sick, man. All the pedals are blue and it just matches, bro.
What's your favorite part about the bike?
It's clean. It's just it's simple. It's not overdoing it. It's tight. There's a pop, there's a bling, but it's not too bling. You know what I'm saying? So it's just right.
Man, thank you, man. I appreciate
I mean,
that.
to each and everyone, you know.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
my style.
There we go. Bike life, baby.
All right, bro.
Deja vu. Deja vu.
Yeah, that looks about right. Right there.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, so now it's time to take this baby out, try it out. Make sure that gotta make sure that the configurations and everything, the seat height and the handlebars, the brake placements, we just want to make sure that it rides clean, rides smooth after the rebuild, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. First time seeing the light. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Ooh. First time seeing the light. We out here, baby. We out here. Let me put this down. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Beautiful thing. Out here riding. How many miles did you do today? Carson Cyclery, baby. Y'all see it? Y'all see the number right there? Google them, give them a call, see what they can do for you. Customize your bike, bike parts, repairs, get a bike, whatever y'all need. Check them out. Carson Cyclery. I am Lars Young. You already know what it is. SC Bikes, the best. Let's go.
Lars Young. Lars Young.